Welcome to our collagen supplement showcase. Today, we'll explore the top collagen products available on Amazon. From skin and joint health to postpartum recovery, find the perfect collagen supplement for your needs. Let's dive in. Made from wild-caught fish, this product is ideal for pescatarians. It supports skin health and is third-party tested. For purity, the collagen is hydrolyzed for better absorption and effectiveness. Perfect for pregnancy and postpartum support, this powder is third-party tested for purity and contains high quality hydrolyzed collagen from grassed cows. It helps with skin elasticity, joint health, and postpartum recovery. Designed for joint health and certified for sport, this product is ideal for athletes. It contains a Youtheory, a specialized form of collagen peptides proven to support joint health and reduce pain. This supplement combines collagen with vitamin C to enhance absorption and effectiveness. It contains hydrolyzed collagen for better absorption and supports healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. Sourced from grassed, pasture-raised cows, this powder is high in collagen and protein. It also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which support skin, hair, nail, and joint health.